Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am currently in the forest right now, just exploring, and I thought, just might as well shoot a video out here. Um, I guess it's gonna be like a ramble video, just whatever comes to my mind. So, yeah, man, before I came up here, I was just like bored out of my mind, just at home, you know? And that's like the worst thing that you could do, man. Being on this retention journey, being on SR, and then just being like at home, not doing anything. That can kind of like eat you alive, bro. Not gonna lie, like your soul belongs out here in nature, man. We are a part of nature. So the farther we get away from nature is the farther we get away from ourselves. All this modern technology, like all this stuff that has made our lives comfortable, just being in our rooms, in our houses, just on our phones, playing video games, spending too much time in the city. All that stuff is like not aligned with like your spirit, man. Sometimes we have to come out here, in nature to recharge ourselves. Because, it's like, it's therapy. It's like nature is like therapy. If you just go out here by yourself, it like quiets your mind. It makes you reflect, man. When you're just at home, like, it creates like a lot of stagnant energy. And, simply going for a drive, it clears your mind out. It makes you feel a lot better. Because sometimes, guys, I don't even know what the heck to do, bro. Like, I'm just like, like unintentionally, like I just become stagnant. And that's never good, man. That's never good to be stagnant in life, just letting life just pass you by and just be reflecting or be like overthinking. Sometimes you have to just kind of force yourself or stop being so much in your head of doing things and just kind of do it, Just if you have a car, man, if you have a bike, any type of transportation, use it to your advantage. Be grateful that you have some form of transportation because walking takes forever, right? But if you have a car, man, find somewhere like a nature spot like this. Like, this is crazy, bro. Like, I've never been here before. And there's like snow right here. There's like a river down there, surrounded by like these big trees. And this is a vibe, man. This is like straight up a vibe. And I just wanted to shoot a video just to like, just talk about this, man. But sometimes it's good to get away from all this technology shit, man. Like all that social media and even YouTube, man. Like all this stuff is just bullshit. Sometimes I'm just watching random ass videos on YouTube and I'm just like, what the hell am I doing, bro? Like I'm just watching just random content because I'm just like, I don't know, man. But sometimes you have to get away from all that nonsense. And you just gotta quiet your mind and quiet the world and just reconnect back with nature, This is what your soul needs. All that partying, all that worldly stuff, materialism, everything, it will never satisfy you, man. That's why it's very important to spend time in nature because that's what we are. We are a part of nature. We are basically nature, the universe experiencing itself as a human being. You know, humans are the only ones that are like, you know, that have that higher consciousness, you know, that have that intelligence to make things a lot easier for themselves. But we sometimes forget that nature is what we need, man. Just getting some fresh air, just spending time in this open, you know, this openness, not being so closed into, you know, into like your house or, you know, all that stuff, man. You gotta get away from that once in a while to like reconnect with yourself and with nature. Because I guarantee you, man, if you spend some time out here in nature for a couple hours, you just feel like the stress kind of just dissolving, you know, being very present in the moment. You know, if you come out here in nature, obviously I'm shooting a video, but try to be as present as you can, man. Put your phone away and just like observe and take in like everything around you, you know what I'm saying? And clear out your mind, okay? Because all that like technology stuff, all that instant gratification, all this content, it could be beneficial, you know, but at the same time, it could also be very destructive if you're just kind of mindlessly giving your attention to things that aren't giving you any value, you know? Sometimes you just gotta detox in a way, right? Because all this technology, it's entertaining, right? But it's not, like I said, it's not in alignment with your spirit. It's like, it actually makes your soul suffer. You know, like I said earlier in the video, the farther away you get from nature is basically the farther away you get from yourself. Because at this point, you're just more a physical being, but we are spiritual beings in a physical body. So, you know, just being out here and reconnecting with Mother Nature is a vibe, man. Like this is amazing right here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I just wanted to shoot a quick video on this, man. Just talk about like what I'm currently like thinking of, you know. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna just end the video with that so I could just kind of enjoy the scenery. Okay, so thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye.